Oh boy, let the invasion begin. I gotta say, that was pretty cool. That was pretty neat.